Great band. As I said, the bandstand, the original bandstand happened to be Sunday, 6 p.m. onwards. And we'd like to thank the people that make this bandstand possible, but most importantly, the people that brought the concept to the garden. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Panjim First, an initiative of CII.
Susanna, 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 I'm crazy over you. Susanna, 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 I'm crazy over you. Sarah, Sarah, Sarah. Sarah, Sarah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Sarah, Sarah. If you can't feel it, don't say baby, I'm going back. Baby, I'm going back. Baby, I'm out of my but so it anymore, baby, it's on your head. Just let me liberate. You need no paper. That man is not Jamaica. That's why I'm gonna take a good time. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. So a good time. Take it out and pass me. I can call you back.
Thank you so much.
Rawoje damo dziędziejna sona Saruje tarani dona sona Wale Tatuj mojan rawone na zuboy na sona Ura sieta uta bosona Sin boron tua sona Kaisek na kamaga tu na sona Baduy mo jan ravong zay na tomboy Tu samboy, uy tomboy Tu samboy, korin na sona Apoy makao rogro sietolo Sango maka tuje shisrautolo Mago e taris voko suka ditolo Risorsi asor tu kesatolo Sen moron tua sona Kaisek na kamaga dona sona Baduy mo jan ravong zay na tomboy Tu samboy, uy tomboy Tu samboy, korin na sona Take it on, Bobby, playing Sango maka tuje shisrautolo Mago e paris voko sukas ditolo Risorsi azor du kesadolo Kalisko
you. Thank you. That's a favorite love song from Goa.
Lovely band and the lovely music from Smooth